emergency update videos, guys. Right now, two major events are happening next week. Today is Thursday, July 18th. But next week, two major events are going to occur, which are going to do one of two things for the entire crypto markets. So listen up. I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains every single day. And guys, get ready because this is going to be an interesting video. One event that's happening next week is the Ethereum ETFs should officially start trading on Tuesday. Guess what is happening right after that? Thursday of this week, of next week, of that same week, is going to be the Bitcoin conference in Nashville. And we all know who's going to be there. Mr. T, right? Mr. T is going to be there after a crazy event that just occurred last weekend. Also, what is he going to be talking about? There's major rumors coming out right now saying that he is going to be making an announcement talking about Bitcoin potentially being a strategic reserve asset to back the US dollar, to really pump the US dollar strength and buying up a ton of more Bitcoin that they already have access, because the United States, if you guys didn't know, already has access to a ton of Bitcoin. They're one of the largest Bitcoin holders out there. So they already have the funds, right? Now they just need to back up the US dollar with it. And there's already a game plan. Dennis Porter put out a tweet explaining how it could potentially be done. I'll be posting these up here. You guys can see that and go read the tweet for yourselves. But guys, these two events are one of two things. One, either this is going to be the beginning of the largest rally ever, right? Or because the Ethereum ETFs launching next week is going to be very, very bullish, right? A lot of buying pressure coming into Ethereum. We know that Ethereum on exchanges already supplies like an 8-year all-time low. So that's very bullish, right? We saw what the Bitcoin ETFs did for Bitcoin, hitting new all-time highs before the halving. This could have a similar effect. Also, Mr. T talking about Bitcoin potentially being a reserve asset to back the US dollar, right? Next week as well. If he does make that announcement, that is going to be huge for in case he does get into behind the desk. If he gets behind the desk, then you already know things are going to go according to that situation. Very, very bullish in 2025. People are going to be anticipating massive good things happening for Bitcoin because that he's back inside the office. Now, the counter side to this is, right, this could be one of the largest top signals, a local top signal here. Once we start seeing this news, right, buy the rumor, sell the news. What did we see when Bitcoin launched? Grayscale sold a ton of Bitcoin for a very long time. Even though Bitcoin still hit all-time highs, right, did all that stuff, they were selling massively. Whenever they slowed down is when Bitcoin had massive pumps. Grayscale could sell a ton of Ethereum as well. Now, on the flip side, with Mr. T, could be the buy the rumor, sell the news. Everybody gets hyped up for Q4. This is going to happen. Everybody gets long on their longs, right? They're going to hit new all-time highs. Bitcoin might even have a pump. Bitcoin might have a rally into the 70s, right? Potentially, we could see that happen. And then the rug gets pulled from under us, guys, and we have a massive drop in the markets because there are potential targets down in the 40s, in the 50s for Bitcoin that are technical targets that we should be hitting. I'll be check it out right here, right? There are technical targets that are pointing down. We got a Q1 naked point of control sitting down at 42,000, and we have a few other points of interest sitting around 50,000 and about 48, 49. So all those things are still in play. Next week is going to be very, very critical for the markets. We could even potentially see maybe a little bit of a rally over the weekend, anticipating these events beginning to happen next week. So guys, stay tuned for next week, because if you don't pay attention, you might miss some of the biggest things ever happening for the crypto markets. Like always, smash those likes, hit that subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains every single day. Until next time, see ya.